Okay guys, we're back here in my office. We got another package from ProClip USA. Let's see what's inside of it. So we have the ProClip mount for the Durango. I told y'all in the last video that I was going to be ordering it for the Durango, and here it is. But because my wife and I both drive the Durango, I decided to get this here. It's the Magic Mount Pro. Now this is MagSafe compatible with the iPhone. Now I don't have an iPhone. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note. But I decided to get this one because it has little metal panels that you put on the back of your phones here, and you just magnetically hold it to this mount here, to this holder. Now this is my wife's phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install or put this metal tab on the back of her phone. I'm going to start off by putting this little protective film on the back, and then putting this metal plate on the back. Okay, so here we are. I have the protective film on underneath, and then I have this metal piece attached to the back of the phone, and that's what holds it to the mount. So let's check that out real quick. There it goes, stuck on there. I will say that the neodymium magnet is holding on to the phone really well. Like, it takes a force to get it off. But yeah, look, check this out. This is how strong the magnet is. Yeah, it's on there, nice and secure. This video I'm taking from my wife's phone. This is my phone here. I have a OtterBox on it, so I put the protective film underneath, the metal plate on top of it, and then I'm going to put the OtterBox back, or the soft OtterBox back on top. Now, so let me go ahead and put this back on, and then we'll test it with the magnet. So the soft portion of the case, because it's two pieces, the soft case and then the hard case underneath. So let's see how it fares. Same thing, really powerful. Shake it around, it's not coming off at all. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and take the custom mount for the Durango and this one and go mount it. See you outside in a bit. So here we are in the Durango. I already have the back plate for the mount or the phone holder screwed onto the mount already. So this holder goes right here. So this tab is going to go in this seam right here, and this tab is going to go in this seam right here. And I'm going to try to do this one-handed just to show y'all how easy it is. So oops, this one goes in here like that. So it goes there, and then the other one pops right in here. Now they did give you this gap tool right here. It comes in the kit, so you just put this gap tool here so that you can get enough space to get this cap or this tab in there. Now this is a gap tool for interiors. The Hellcat, that's a gap tool for everything else. So I've switched hands, so I got the gap tool down there, just enough space. So let me lower this up, let me lower this down, and then snaps right in place. So there we go. The mount's gonna go right here. Now you can mount this either down here on the lower portion or on the higher portion. I did the higher portion here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the magnetic base, go ahead and put this on here, and through the magic of editing, I'll be back in a second. And there we go, we have it installed, custom made for the Durango. And let me go ahead and get the camera flipped around. Hey you all, so bam, that's where the camera's going, or not the camera, but that's where the phone sits, and you can lift it up higher, do it down lower. Of course, I am not going to be using it in landscape mode like this. I'm going to be using it more in portrait mode, but I like it. So again, this mounting solution was brought to you by ProClipUSA.com. Like I said, they do custom mounts for any year, make, and model. They also have universal mounts. They have mounts for tuners, mounts for phones, tablets, GPS devices, whatever you can think of that you need to have inside your car. Check them out. Okay guys, real quick, this is my wife's phone here. I was going to show y'all this. On the back of the Magic Mount here, there's a little clip where you can clip your cables. I have it clipped underneath there, plugged into here to charge, and it's pretty cool because you can do it landscape, you can do a portrait, take it right off, put it right back on. Pretty awesome. I rather enjoy it. And again, this is from ProClipUSA.com, custom mounts, because one mount is here, the other one available is here, and then for the 2020 and above, they have one mount that mounts to the A pillar here. So y'all see y'all in the next video.